Hey guys, my Orchard Videos. How's everyone doing? Anyways, I want to talk a little bit about what we're doing today. And my kitchen's messy. Jesus Christ. I need to get myself a maid or get married. Anyways, we're going to be doing some other neat stuff today. Anyways, here is the onions. They're growing pretty good. They're pretty happy and not coffee grind, and still quite moist in there, so they like that, I think. Yeah, but they're growing. They're not dying, so that's a good thing, I guess. So anyways, we're going to do some more experiments with cedars. So anyways, this is me. Anyways, little story is a couple years back, maybe longer, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, I did this experiment with planting cedars. Well, I think I have about a dozen of them, or no, about 6 of them actually survived. And the reason being is I had them outside and a place was watering, and I suspect that one of my family members, because he's a real asshole, someone knew I had the plants there. Probably my cousin, because he's just a dick and he just doesn't like certain things about me, or doesn't like what I like to do in my life, but and such. Anyways, the plants were scattered all over the damn lawn, and had them in little pots. Everything was all hunky dory, all growing nice and happy. And I get out there one day, and everything was just scattered everywhere. And I suspect it's my cousin, because one day I seen him, he had a big grin on his face. And that was just the day after that happened, so I thought it was kind of him that did that. But anyways, nonetheless, we're going to try this again. And this time we're going to do a little bit differently, grow them in the house. So these little tin cans I have for fruit cans and stuff like that, save. And I thought I'd save this, kind of do a bit of recycling, because I like to repurpose stuff as much as I can. And I think we're going to do some cuttings here. And I'm going to show the proper way of propagating, or what I've learned so far. And I'm going to be using some of this root hormone too. So we're going to try this a couple different ways. I'm going to be putting some of the root hormone in some water in some cans here, and I'm going to try to get the roots going on these cedars here first. I think it's actually some kind of a cedar. I forget what name it is, but I have to look at my book. But anyways, we're going to take these apart and score them a little bit, and then put them in the water with the root hormone, and we'll do that right now. Pardon my messy kitchen. One of my favorite guys to learn stuff from is Mike McGroarty. Mike McGroarty. He has a nursery. I haven't watched his videos in quite a while. I've been focused on other things you may have noticed. So now I think it's like February 18th or something like that, for my birthday. Maybe you guys didn't know, my birthday's in February. And we're just going to cut that back like that. And we're going to take a knife, and we're going to score the bark off these a little bit. Don't have nothing proper. Can hurt them a little bit. I learned lots from Mike McGroarty over the years, and he's a really, really good person to listen to when it comes to propagating plants and such, and flowers and such. I like to do a little more of that this year. I know my channel is a bit of everything, but in reality it's just a bunch of farming stuff. So, and you know, the farm can leave, but you can't take the farmer out of the boy. So it's kind of me, right? But I still have the orchard and everything, but I like growing stuff, you know, fabricating stuff out of metal and working in the shop and growing fruit trees is my specialty, really. So, you know, just take a branch of that, you know, just cut it. Pretty simple. Pretty simple thing to do. I don't remember if I had showed this in a previous video or not, but, you know, just like that. Pretty simple. Simple, simple, simple. I always like the smell of cedars. You can't beat that smell. Alright. I'm doing it the way that I learned it. So, yeah. I mean, when I did this last time, the actually worked out pretty good. I got pretty good success. I would have had really good success if that damn ding dong didn't sabotage my stuff. And that was a real bummer, and I was pretty bummed out about that. But it is what it is. Family's family. Well, not really much family anymore. But anyway, it is what it is, boys and girls. So, anyways, just have to score it up a little bit, right? Actually, to enhance the root growth. So. Even ripping it like that, you get something. You know, and now you get a bit of a score mark in there, and now you'll get. I mean, I basically want to try to enhance the root growth on these. See, you even get that right, get that in there. So I don't know how many pieces I'll be able to get. You get enough score marks on there, I think. So yeah, it's just for fun, something fun to do. Give my lungs a little bit of a break from welding. So, people have asked me in the future why I don't start up a nursery. Well, I'm not dedicated enough to this stuff. I bet that's kind of like doing it because I like growing stuff. That's my main thing, right? Pretty big. I could probably take a few more off there, but it is what it is. So, I think cedars are probably one of these things that can probably. I think cedars are probably one of the things you propagate probably the easiest. I think. So, we want to do some other things this year too. So, this one actually has quite a few little branches on it. Anyways, whatever. Doing this over the sink. My girlfriend says messy Marvin. Who's Marvin? The problem with cedar, one of the biggest problems with cedar trees is they suck up a lot of water. But if you know what you're doing, you know how to put proper irrigation. I think we'll talk about this a bit too later on. And doing proper irrigation so you don't have to spend a lot of money in water for your plants. So, and like cedars do take a lot of water. So, I'm going to fill this up. Some good old water. And put some root hormone in there. So first I'm going to try this one right here. Hormone. We're going to do two experiments. One, see, with this brand in here in this can. So I think actually we'll mark it. So what's this stuff here called? Garden Safe. And now it won't write. See if I have a felt pen in here. A felt pen. So we're going to call this can here Garden Safe. Try that one with that one there. I've never done this before, so you guys will probably scream at me, oh, you shouldn't be doing that, that's for dirt. Well, it is what it is. We'll leave it in there for a while and then we'll see if they grow some roots. I hope they do. I'll find a spot here to put these. Garden Safe. There. Next one will be Miracle Grow Root Fast Root. Should be wearing gloves. Fast root. So we know which one it is, right? I'm just getting wonky. Get in there, you bastard. fast fruit. And the next one is going to be straight water. So we'll know exactly what it is. You guys know what it is? Straight water, nothing in it. So. I'm always fascinated with growing stuff. And growing fruit trees all my life. And all sorts of different things. Growing vegetables and growing mostly fruits. Mostly what I've grown in my life. So, okay. Yeah. Anyways, there you have it. Cedars in their cans. Garden safe, root fast, and plain water. You must think I really like eating my canned fruit. No, I do. My mom used to make all sorts of canned goods back in the day, and I used to love canned peaches in general. So, anyways, there you have it. So, anyways, we'll leave those in there maybe for a week or so and see if we get some roots. Maybe take a bit longer. We'll have to see what becomes of that. And those are growing pretty good as they are. So we'll see. And once they get to be a bit bigger, then I'll get some flower pots I have outside, and we'll put them in flower pots, and we'll put them here in the kitchen and let them grow, or put them in the living room. We'll find somewhere to put them. It's going to be safe and out of idiots that want to sabotage my things. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this, find this video educational and informative, give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel. It all helps. And be more content from farming stuff in general. Anything farming, tractors, excavators, growing trees and pruning trees and such. It's all on my channel. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye for now.